So recently I have found out that the GPU was a little issue to that, and yet the VGA, yeah, had to reconnect it just in case, but don't worry about it. But also, ever since I got the air cooler, which that says Arctic Air Ultra, but pretty sure that the thing is it needs some water nor ice or something. So we're not gonna talk about this thing, but yeah, the only issue is this thing doesn't even go up to level 3 as I say. So it probably has to do with the the cord, which is this one, but yeah, it's not the white one, it's the black one. So in oh, and yeah, black and white. Anyway, so as you can see right now, finally got some hard drives plugged in inside and it works. I still got my custom mouse here, which is the Chroma one. You might want to search that. And the time of this recording, it's 1:27 p.m. April 16, 2026 on Thursday in the Philippines, depending on where you are now. So I was kind of a little relieved. So yeah, it was okay at least. Let me just don't want to show my username and the password, so I can't I can't do that because private information. So let me skip that to you guys. Alright, just logged in, so I don't feel like showing my password because again, private information. So anyway, as you can see, the network is still, oh, it's on. Okay, so trying to go to the task manager. I know it's very slow because I need a new RAM, a new SSD, especially a new GPU because I'm temporarily connecting to it just in case. So especially a new monitor, a new keyboard, a new mouse, a new headset, everything, even the CPU cooler as well, and I had to. So the good news is right now, for those who do not like AI, is not much or not really much. So seems that the RAM prices are going down. So as long that the AI bubble has remained popped, but still the video using AI is still around. So anyway, more updates soon as long it will work. So what do you think?